Imagine, John and Paul want to bet on the outcome of a sports match. John bets $40 on Team A, and Paul bets $40 on Team B, with the $80 total held in escrow by a smart contract. When the game ends, how does the smart contract know whether to release the funds to John or Paul? The answer is, it requires an oracle mechanism to fetch accurate match outcomes, off-chain, and deliver it to the blockchain in a secure and reliable manner. Welcome to the world of blockchain. In this video, you'll learn what is off-chain compute in the Web3 ecosystem. What is Fluence? What is Fluence solving? What are the importance of off-chain compute in the Web3 ecosystem? How is Fluence empowering off-chain compute in the Web3 ecosystem? Let's get started. There are some keywords to understand here. 1. Off-chain. These are resources external to the blockchain. 2. On-chain. These are data already stored on the blockchain. 3. Oracle is an infrastructure that's securely operating with off-chain systems and blockchain. Oracle is a middleware system that connect blockchain through and fro external resources, whether as input or output, to and from blockchain. 4. Web3. In a simple term, this is blockchain's world kind of web. Imagine that time blockchain will become a norm. That web version is called Web3. Now, what is off-chain compute in Web3 ecosystem? These are compute resources that empowers blockchain to interoperate with external resources. We have Oracle systems and tools that powers the Oracle systems. This is where Fluence comes in. But Fluence does not provide an Oracle solution. But what is Fluence? Fluence is a pro Web3 platform. Fluence provides an open Web3 protocol, framework, and tooling to develop and host applications, interfaces, and backends on permissionless peer-to-peer networks. In another way, Fluence provides a peer-to-peer platform, tools and components for developers to quickly and easily program and compose reusable distributed data acquisition, processing, and delivery services into decentralized Oracle applications. So Fluence is also part of magics that Oracle applications are doing. Then, what is Fluence solving? Fluence speaks Web3 as a language. Fluence is Web3 native computing platform. These are what Fluence are solving. 1. For NFT platforms, Fluence brings decentralized indexing, search, retrieval, caching to the NFT metadata. 2. For multi-party computations, Fluence helps you easily roll up network algorithms involving multiple peers, servers, and API providers. 3. For decentralized exchanges, Fluence helps you to add off-chain order book to on-chain debt and save on gas with peer-to-peer signature collection. 4. For DAO-managed applications, Fluence makes off-chain codes, follows on-chain DAO decisions. For more, visit www.fluence.network. Let us look at now what is the importance of off-chain compute in the Web3 ecosystem are. To better understand and appreciate the importance of off-chain compute in Web3 ecosystem, it's important to know that smart contracts are limited. They cannot communicate with off-chain resources, hence they need help, which oracles are currently providing. Oracles are off-chain compute. So here are some of the importance. 1. They act as middleware to blockchain. 2. They provide off-chain data and resources to blockchain. 3. They promote output on-chain data resources to the real world. Now let us see. How is Fluence empowering off-chain compute in the Web3 ecosystem? Again, imagine that on-chain smart contract required a price data to perform operations. It will need an Oracle mechanism to fetch this data from external source, to feed it on smart contract. You can achieve this on Fluence. So here are how Fluence are helping out. 1. With Fluence, you can create Price Oracle, a price stream oracle that is on high demand, especially by DeFi operations, which is feed to on-off-chain DeFi blockchain projects. 2. With Fluence, you can create and validate signed EIP 712 forms and store the results in a local SQLite database. 3. Fluence peer-to-peer network offers a large number of independent nodes that can serve as timestamp sources from either Caudamilia or Trust Graph neighborhoods. 4. Fluence helps you integrate IPFS to its node. We've been able to cover a lot here, and I want to congratulate you. So if you're looking for a platform that empowers you to forget cloud compute lock-ins, hurry now. Go check out www.fluence.network for more. Thank you for watching.